Hello traders, in this video we're going to be talking about the Straddle EA for MT5. This is a new straddle trading system that places buy and sell orders around high impact events. So let's see the claims and what my backtest really showed. This one is important. But before we dive into the video, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, let's get into it. As you can see from the MQ5 page, Straddle EA is designed for or is designed to automatically place pending buy, stop, and sell stop orders around key news events or price levels. The idea is to capture the strong directional move that often follows big news releases, profiting from the breakout in either direction while the other order gets cancelled. It includes parameters for news timing, straddle distance, lot sizing, and risk management. The EA aims to automate a classic manual straddle strategy, removing emotion and timing issues. Many versions include filters for high impact news only and max exposure controls. The developer usually shows backtests around NFP or other major events, claiming the potential for big wins when volatility spikes. However, these strategies are inherently high risk due to slippage, spreads, and unpredictable news outcomes. Right, let's see some of his screenshots on the page. Right, so for the live signal, you can see he claims they had gains of over 6,000%. The total net profit of $35,898. 91 over 91% of profitable trades and a profit factor of 1.41. But before we take this at face value, let's compare it to my own personal backtest and see how it actually holds up and if it holds true to the developer's claims. So the recommended setup is the gold XAUSD exclusively on the M15 time frame, which is recommended, but according to the developer, it operates on any time frame as well. So let's put this to our personal backtest. As you can see, I was opportune to carry a backtest on the SAUSD as recommended by the developer on the M15 time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at my backtest for an initial deposit of $10,000, the equity curve started strong but then suffered a massive drawdown, ending with significant losses. Deposit load shows the characteristic spikes during news events when both sides of the straddle can get filled briefly. As for the stats, you can see that we had a net loss of almost $9,800. Basically blew the account, and a profit factor below 1 at 0.86, and an equity drawdown of 98.43%. Right. So compared to the optimistic claims of big wins of volatility, the reality is that news can gap against you or cause whipsaws that hits both sides hard. The tight risk controls some versions have didn't save this test. So the thing is, strategies are gambling on volatility, direction, and magnitude. They can work spectacularly or fail spectacularly, as you can see in this case, which doesn't exactly hold up to what the developer claims on the websites. But honestly, the features that matter are strict news filters, conservative risks per event, and broker with good execution. But even then, it's high risk. As with the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, News trading has slippage, widening spreads, and unpredictable outcomes. Many brokers have restrictions or poor execution around news. Drawdowns can be sudden and severe. Prop firms often ban or limit news trading. In practice, this can blow accounts quickly if risk isn't tiny, like what we had in my backtest. So it's actually for the EA is for advanced traders with deep understanding of news events, excellent risk management, and the ability to accept total loss on individual events. It's good if you have a proven manual strategy edge you're automating. You should avoid this EA if you're a beginner, if you're risk averse, or have a small account, or trade on prop firm rules. This is one of the riskiest EA categories. So overall, Straddle EA can be exciting, but it is extremely dangerous. Methods show the downside clearly, so use with extreme caution or avoid the EA altogether. Most traders lose money on these long term. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA you want me to review next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description below. Trade safe, be careful with new strategies, and I'll see you in the next video.